y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Finally, right? First of all, let's not talk about my backdrop because I'm still learning, and just don't talk about me. So I am going to do a inspired look today. I seen it on Instagram, but apparently the girl didn't deleted it. So now I don't even know who the girl was, because you know, I gotta give my props to people, because if you do a good job, I want to tell everybody that you did a good job and why I want to copy you. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of inspo today, and dang, I really wish that I could show y'all, like, whatever. All right, so anyways, I already did my eyebrows and my foundation. I am a little red because I've been out in the sun. Whenever it came out, I was just like burning up in the sun. We're going to be using my fave palette today. It's called the Zulu by Juvias. So if you don't know about Juvias, I'm gonna need y'all to get up on it real motherfucking quick. Okay, here it's from Wet n Wild, simple eyeshadow brush, and my eyelids are already pretty primed, just not super primed, like just enough, you know. So I'm gonna go in with this orange, and if you hear wind, I'm sorry, like it's super windy today. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack it to where I want it to be at. You know what I'm saying? Like just pack it where your like outline is, because I want this to be my outer. I didn't practice it or none of that shit. Like I just seen it and was like, ooh, maybe I should try. So after you pack it, you're just gonna, what the fuck is that? It's a piece of hair. Okay. After you pack it, you're just gonna lightly brush it out, fan it out, whatever you want to call it, your desired shape, whatever you want to do. But for some reason, I like to line it up like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go in with this pretty purple here. It's so crazy because I really have not done no videos in like so fucking long. I've been busy, like jobs, whatever. Graduated. I think I stopped doing videos before I graduated. So yes, your girl done got her degree. Mind your business. That's all you need to know. All right, so I'm about to go in with this purple. I think I tapped it out too much. Just a little bit. I think I'm gonna do it on the inside too. Should I do it on the inside? I don't know. I'm a little scared. Oh well. Let's just go with the flow, people. Let's just go with the flow. Let's just go with the flow. Low flow. See, purple's like, this purple gets everywhere. I don't know if it's because I'm using the wrong brush or what. But I don't want it to go. See how I left space right here? Like, I don't want it to go there. I just want it to go from right here. My eyes look a little weird because I'm looking. And right there. Just try to leave a little space right there so when you put your other color. Yeah. Let it go. Just let it go. I like to do my eyes at the same time. I don't know. Some people just like to do one eye and then the other. But then I'm like, nah. This green be popping. When I tell you it be popping, it be popping. I'm stupid. So yeah, I'm about to go in with this green right here. I did spray some primer spray on it, just to wet it a little because it is a shimmer, so I want it to stand out like a lot. Use a Pro Conceal to cut my crease. Pro Conceal, LA girl. Most people already know about it because it's really cheap, affordable, but it also works really well. Just put a little bit on my hand here, and this is the color. So the tag came off of it, so I don't know what the color is, so that's fine. We don't have to know. So when I just want it here, I look up because my lids are kind of, you know, and you see. Going with this flat brush here, and then I'm going to use this for the green. I'm going to spray some primer spray on it because, once, like I said, it's shimmery, so I want it to pop. So I'm going to go in with this green. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. And it's cap, cap, cap. Work, 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 work. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Okay, let's go in. We're gonna go back with that purple. You might not even have to touch base with it again. Maybe just a little bit, but go back in with that purple and fucking just blend that shit right here. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. This is the finished look. Now I need to wipe up the sides. It looks good from far away, but oh yeah, let me put on my lashes. Let me put on the lashes. Time for the big dogs. After I put on my lashes, okay, my lashes came from a local person. We got people selling lashes around here from where I live, and when I tell you these motherfuckers is bomb, these motherfuckers is bomb. Yes, honey, I'm back with the lashes though. If you don't like dramatic, then that's fine. That's just you. But me, I'm a dramatic ass bitch, and I want long lashes like that you can see from like 5 miles away. Lashes. You know what I'm saying? So going in with the Pro Concealer once again, and yes, this is damp, baby. This is my favorite Wet n Wild contour. It's powder. I've never used liquid. Never ever used liquid. Whatchamacallit. So I'm going in. I never use the highlighter part because I don't know, I feel like it's not my color or something. I have the Maybelline Fit, medium 25, so I can cut my. J-Cat highlighter here, and then I'm just gonna lightly brush my cheek and then on my forehead. I don't put on a lot of blush or none of that. But yeah, this is my finished look. Let me put on some lipstick for you. Alright y'all, so this is my finished look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this look. Go ahead and subscribe to my freaking channel. I'm literally just gonna try to post once a week. Like, I'm not even finna be like on that like, oh, I'm posting every day, cause I know I'm not about to post every day, but I'm literally gonna try to post every week. Like, at least this video should be up by Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see me do more looks, or you know, whatever, just comment down below what you want to see, because I get really excited when I find some inspo to do some looks, or you know, this is really pretty. I really love it. I actually didn't expect it to come out looking this good, because I was scared of the colorway, like how it's gonna turn out. But once again, if you do like this look, please give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below what else you'd like to see on my channel, or if you just like to see more beauty looks. I don't mind, because I love it. Please just let me know. Tell your friends, share. Yeah, look in the description box to check all my other videos out. Yeah, those of y'all that want to do YouTube, please make sure that you are committed, because a lot of people will be disappointed if you don't upload like you say you do. Me. So yeah, I'm gonna get back on my shit. If you don't believe me, just watch.